Welcome to the TerraVent Flexible Ducting Installation Guide. In this 10-step process, we will take you through how to install this flexible ducting with flame retardant and anti-static properties for underground ventilation. Before we begin, make sure that you have prepared for the installation. This includes making sure that you have the appropriate safety equipment, TerraVent flexible ducting, as well as the necessary tools and accessories required for the installation. Note that TerraVent spiral ducting is color-coded green for force air and red for exhaust air. Install a straining wire starting from the electric fan and ending as close to the advancing tunnel as possible. Ensure that the straining wire is as straight and horizontal as possible by drilling eye bolt holes approximately 30 meters apart from low points in the tunnel roof and tensioning the straining wire with a suitable device. Drill additional eye bolt holes on the same line approximately 5 meters apart using 3 mm diameter steel wire to connect the eye bolts to the straining wire. This is done in order to prevent sagging. It is important that you do not follow roof contours with the straining wire, but rather follow low points in the tunnel roof. Following roof contours may cause severe flow restrictions once the flexible ducting is attached. Apply Rapiduct sealer to the steel flange of the fan to prevent scuffing. Attach the fan adapter to the fan by pulling the ratchet and strap over the steel flange. Tighten by means of the ratchet device. Double check to ensure that the ratchet and strap are securely over the flange before moving to the next step. Note that the spiral force duct must always end with the insert at the delivery end of the duct. Follow the TerraVent arrows on the ducting to make sure. Connect another length of spiral force ducting to the spiral fan adapter by placing the insert into the opening of this duct. Complete the connection by means of the zipper or clip and insert mechanism. Repeat this step by adding additional spiral force ducting until approximately 30 meters away from the fan. Once again, for every additional spiral force duct attached, ensure that the spiral force duct ends with the insert at the delivery end of the duct, following the TerraVent arrows on the ducting to make sure. Once the required spiral force ducting has been connected to each other by means of the zipper or clip and insert mechanism, hook the spiral force duct to the straining wire by means of all the suspension clips or pteropods on top of the flexible ducting. Attach the force duct to the spiral force duct by placing the insert into the opening of the force duct and complete the connection by means of the eyelets and connection clips. Force ducting can also be connected directly to the fan by bolting the ducting to the flange. Hook the force duct to the straining wire by means of all the suspension clips on top of the force duct and extend the ducting to its full length. To protect the insert of the last force duct from damage, an end piece is connected as before. This end piece is to be removed when extending the ducting and reinstalled at the end of the ducting column. Before starting the fan, inspect all connections and suspension clips and adjust where necessary. Start the fan once satisfied that connections and suspension clips comply with installation steps, and re-inspect the ducting column for anomalies. Inspect the installation at the start of each shift and do repairs where necessary. For more information or additional insight, please do not hesitate to contact our client service team directly. Tiraman, 30 years of innovation to the mining industry.